I will show you how to allow DeepSeek to search on the internet in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like for more. So to enable this option, what you need to do is log into your DeepSeek account, and once you are here, you will be at this screen to start a new tab, and you will see this option to search the web when necessary. So you can click here, and now this button will turn on blue, and this means it's enabled. So now I can ask, for example, give me keyword recommendations below $50, for example. And well, in this case, DeepSeek Search Service is busy because it's a new trend in AI, and it seems like the servers are currently busy, but this is basically the way you can enable DeepSeek to search on the internet. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.